Oh, the system is turned around. This is in no way to show off the cable management. Hello world, welcome to Hex 1E. The last time we worked on this system, we went over its specs, all the specific hardware components, and everything else that would go into the system. Finally, we assembled everything but the tubes. So let's jump right into it. The tubes are finished and it's now time to install it. Let's do it. We could go over my build notes again, but meh. I already went over them in the previous video. So, let's enjoy the montage. Well, I think the system looks great and the color my wife chose is absolutely amazing. Tomorrow we'll turn it on because I'd like to leave it a few hours running. Then we'll do the final part. The loop has been running for about 12 hours now. Although I tested the loop beforehand using this nifty EK loop tester thingy, this is still a test I like to perform before having current run through our system, where a small leak can short out our expensive components. I also like to turn on some fans because depending on your ambient temperature, the liquid gets heated up by the pump, and something I don't like to happen. But we're on the home stretch now. A quick cable swap for the pump power, and the system can now run under its own power. I'm gonna install Windows now, do some BIOS stuff and configs before leaving you with shots of the finished build. Thank you for watching. Leave us a like if you enjoyed this episode. Consider subscribing to the channel to see more of us. And I hope to see you next time here at Hex 1E. Now, I present to you Belladonna.